Good morning, guys. Happy 4th of July 2022. Hopefully you can hear me over the drone of the diesel engines here. We're looking at these beautiful F units. This is their third day of pulling the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railroad trains. And I feel like we were just here. I was here on Saturday chasing 2102, also chasing the F units. And then I spent literally all day yesterday editing videos, and when I mean literally, I mean 11 in the morning till about 3:30 a.m. this morning. I had what amounts to about a 3-hour nap, and I'm back up here to catch the first train of the day to go for a ride in the Appalachian Trail car. And then I'm going to rail fan the 1 o'clock expedition, and then I'm going to go home and do some normal 4th of July stuff. I've got a picnic / barbecue with my neighbors, and every year I film their fireworks for them, so you'll be seeing that video soon too. Oh, we're just taking a look at these beauties. This will be my first time riding behind them. Hopefully not the last. Alright guys, I got my ticket to ride. The Appalachian Trail car is considered just one of the regular open air cars, so that's the only ticket you need to buy. And we're going to be down at this end of the train. And I feel like ever since I woke up Saturday morning, everything is like literally just in the nick of time. And got my ticket and got here just in time to start boarding. This is, I think this is the first time I've seen this car, Independence. Well, second time. I took note of it Saturday. Looks freshly painted. I don't know if I'm imagining it, but it smells freshly painted, but looks really beautiful, and it's a nice car to celebrate the 4th of July. Good morning.
How are you?
Doing great. Open air, yep.
You're right.
Checking out the new Appalachian Trail car. You guys keep buying new cars quicker than I can ride them lately.
And what he's doing too is he's painting a lot of it already.
That's what this one was. This one you guys already had, or was this a new one?
We had it, but I think they just painted it.
Okay, it looks freshly painted.
It is freshly painted. Folks, are you open air?
All right, thank you. Yeah, I do enjoy following this railroad closely, guys. They are the closest to home for me. This is only about a half hour away. And it's just such a beautiful, relaxing place. You can come, ride the train, watch the river, go biking, go kayaking or rafting if you have that ability. I've never done that, but I'd like to try a kayak someday. Back here are the 3 open air cars. We'll be going into the final one with the caboose. And I think we can get on back here. This will put us a little bit closer. It's a new crosswalk here this year, which is nice. Sorry about that. Doing a YouTube video.
I'll take over.
Alrighty.
Alrighty then. Very okay. Open air.
Alright, sorry about the temporarily interrupted view there, guys. I always gotta get on and off safely. And this is one of their regular open air cars. And we're gonna try out the new Appalachian Trail car, which is gonna be a little bit different. This is a little different this year. Last year they had the open air cars at the front of the train. This year they got them at the back. But it really doesn't matter because going back will be the front of the train. This must be one I haven't seen before too. I'm not sure which one this is, but this looks, this might be one of the bike train ones. Anyway, this is the new Appalachian Trail car. It was formerly called the Lookout Mountain, and I got up too late to do my research on what railroad had it before. So I'll put that on the screen. But you've really got three different parts to this car. You've got what looks like a traditional coach with open windows, and you've got wooden bench seats on both sides, small racks up ahead for your stuff. And then you've got this other compartment in the back, which is where I'm going to be riding. And this is even a little bit more open. We got the open air windows. Got a beautiful ceiling with a mural painted on it. You got these poles so you can hang on while you stand up and ride, which I always do. We go around this side. I don't want to bug people. And then the coolest part of this car is all the way in the back here. You got this old balcony like you have on the old private rail cars. Wonder if that's the date they got the car. 5/21/21. I'm not sure. Sounds a little early in the year, but they did get it in 2021. And then we got the caboose all the way back here. You guys remember we enjoyed a ride in that last year. So I'm going to enjoy a ride. Nobody's in this spot yet, and I think this has my name on it. So all aboard, guys. Let's go for a beautiful ride on the 4th of July holiday. Alright guys, we're getting ready to depart. This is the 11 o'clock train on July 4th, 2022. And I've shown you guys a lot of full rides recently. I had my compilation behind 425. I had my cab ride in 2013. And then more recently I had my full round trip in the Dome car. And there's something about doing YouTube, guys. As much as I enjoy it, sometimes it takes you out of the moment. Because you're concentrating more on the shot than enjoying the experience. So today I'm going to just be filming kind of passively. I've got my camera clamped here. I'll turn it around facing the other way going back. And that's just going to be stock footage for me. That's not going to be part of this video. My main goal today was to show you this beautiful Appalachian Trail car and get my first ride in it. So I'm really just gonna, well, I'd say sit back and enjoy the ride. I'm gonna stand right here. And I'll give you some highlight clips along the way, but this is just gonna be a short one, guys. I just really wanted you to see this awesome new car. This is so cool, having my own balcony back here. It's almost as fun as the time I rode the caboose. So sit back and enjoy the ride. We're getting ready to leave any second now. really slow around this curve for some reason today, guys. But that's actually alright. I'm looking for my friend Ian from Lehigh River Subdivision. He's supposed to be out here rail fanning, hopefully with his wife Samantha and his son Cameron. They've been out rail fanning, and I know he's going to be looking for us. That's why I got the camera out. And Ian, this is cool that we're slowing down. You get a better look. It's looking back. It's looking back at Nesquehoning Junction, which we just passed through, going into Lehigh Gorge. And this should be them up here. Hey guys, we finally meet up.
We start going a little faster.
We slowed down so you can get a better look.
Yeah. Perfect for getting that shot.
Good. Can't wait to see it. Alright, check out Lehigh River Subdivision's channel. I'm sure within the next week or so he'll have a video up of us going by. And here's the Lehigh River. I keep saying I'm going to put the camera away, and that just doesn't happen, does it? I will after this river, I promise.
Don't worry, whenever you guys feel like take a ticket, you pick me up a chair. No, you pick me up a chair.
Alright guys, welcome back to Jim Thorpe. Thank you for taking the ride along with me today. Really enjoyed this new open air car, the Appalachian Trail. And if you're going to come up here for the ride, I highly recommend it. This is something else. I got to start working on my fitness, even with the e-bike. I do want to do the bike train again someday, both the bike ride and then on another time the round trip ride. It's 52 miles. It's a lot more of the gorge than you get to see on today's ride. And here's Jim Thorpe Station. That's going to be it for me today. Be back up here Saturday watching 425 come into town. And I just wanted to say to everybody, have a happy and safe 4th of July holiday. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you down the tracks.